you ready to learn the most incredible use of ChatGPT yet? If yes, then you are at the right spot. Do you know you can freely use ChatGPT to summarize any website and even any video on the internet? Yes. You heard me right. You don't have to watch the video to get to know what the video is all about. ChatGPT will do it for you, and the best part is, it's absolutely free. Let me show you how. Go to your Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser and search for ChatGPT Summary for websites and YouTube videos. In the search results, open the first link. Let the page load. It's a Chrome extension, but just giving permission to Microsoft Edge you can install and use any Google Chrome extension into Edge browser as well. So, whatever browser you are using, it'll work. Click on Add to Chrome button and let it download and install. When asked, click on Add Extension. Wait a bit and it'll get installed and you will land at this page. To easily use this extension, I'll recommend to pin this extension to your taskbar. That's it. Now click on Try It Now. It'll take you to a Wikipedia page of ChatGPT. Now this is a long page. All you have to do is click on the newly installed extension icon right on the taskbar. It'll take a bit to analyze the page and then will start generating its summary. So you don't have to go through a long page to know what are the main points and what it is all about. Isn't that great? Now let's do the same for a video. I've opened my channel's video on how to use ChatGPT with Microsoft Excel. Once the page has loaded, just click on the extension icon on the taskbar. It'll analyze the video and will start generating its summary in a blink. Here it is. If you have watched this video, you can appreciate that all the steps I've described in the video to use ChatGPT with Microsoft Excel have been listed over here. So, this extension has not only summarized the video but also generated all the necessary steps the video is going to talk about. Now I don't have to scan the video to know the steps and what it's all about. ChatGPT has done it for me. So, learners, say goodbye to watching long, boring videos just to extract the useful information. ChatGPT is here to rescue you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for such videos on range of topics. Thank you and take care.